when you're dealing with a crap show like this, sometimes it's better to just cut them off. Actually, to be honest with you, even if this is a really nice shower, I'd still cut them off because those just did not want to come off. So sometimes you can pull them off by hand, but not these. But you can cut them because it doesn't matter, because you unthread them right here using those. So basically, this tool fits on there like that, and you just unthread it. You have the hot, you have the cold, and then the diverter is in the middle, and you can always tell the diverter because the pfister ones have this like plastic thing on it right there, and that just makes the water go down or up into the shower. Now the next step is to take those seats out. Each one has it. And to do that, I have this nifty little tool right here. This goes in the seat. I think it's this side. And then it just loosens it and you pull it right out. And this is like a little wrench right here. Seats look like. And this kit basically will have everything brand new. As you can see right here. Those are the seats, those three little things right there. So now we have 3 new brass seats, and then we put these in. When you're putting these in, you want to make sure that that's closed like that, because if it's opened a little bit like that, you won't be able to thread it in all the way. You'll have issues. So just make sure that it's closed, and then after you install this, thread it in. You want to tighten this or it'll leak from there. Before you put the escutcheons back on, turn on the water. Check for leaks. Always remember, when you turn on the water, do it nice and slow. Leaks and no leaks. Look at this. This is horrendous, man.